Shifting focus now to news coming in is the investigation in the Shraddha murder case progresses. Sources are now telling your channel that there is a game plan that the Delhi police has made as far as their Maharashtra visit is concerned, especially in Vasai. They will be making a timeline of the case and verify the claims that have been made by Aftab. Common friends are going to be tracked down. Their statements are going to be recorded because remember, the confession that Aftab has made before the police holds no legal ground. The police will have to find evidence to corroborate the claims he makes, which is why a team of the Delhi police is in Maharashtra in Vasai, where Aftab and Shraddha were living before they moved to the national capital. Their friends are going to be tracked down. Some of their relatives are also likely to be questioned. Mihir is now live with me for more on this. Mihir, what else have you gathered from your sources?
We can tell you at this point what sources do suggest us is that the Delhi police has already started its work. In fact, two friends of Shraddha have recorded their statements with the Delhi police. In fact, one of them is a female. So this is what is coming at this point. At this point, the Delhi police has a clear motive in mind. They have a couple of things they need to clear to ensure that they get some breakthrough in this case. What they want is to create a timeline of Shraddha and Aftab. They want to find out when did they meet first, how did it all start, where were these couple hanging out, who were the set of friends, where did they work and what were they up to. So all these things the police is going to investigate in detail. Apart from that, there are certain claims made by Aftab in his statement which also talks about the mobile phone of Shraddha. Remember, Shraddha's mobile phone is very important. As for some of the testimonies of people who've been very closely associated to Shraddha, they've said that there is some sort of incriminating evidence against Aftab which could really be very crucial to this case. So retrieving that telephone is very important for the police, and from what we understand, yes, Aftab is constantly changing his statements and not cooperating. But one of the claims that he made is that one of the phone of Shraddha was thrown in Mumbai. So the police will also look into that matter. Apart from that, they will be recording statements of the friends as well as the family. One of the allegations which is coming to light is also that somewhere the family was aware of the kind of toxic relationship Shraddha was into, and time and again they tried to pacify her and come back to the relationship. So these all allegations will be something that the Delhi police will be looking at, and for that they will be questioning and taking statements of family members, friends in this particular case.
Right, so a timeline is being established by the Delhi police, who is in Mumbai there, who is in Maharashtra. We do know that statements of our friends have already been recorded. Have we been able to track down Aftab's parents or his family? Have the police managed to contact them yet?
That detail we don't know at this point, but definitely they would be talking to Aftab's family also. Remember, when the first missing report was filed, the Palghar police reached out to Aftab's family time and again to question them and find out where the son was, why was he there. Apart from that, also to get details about the relationship between the two. Remember, Shraddha was missing and Shraddha's family filed the missing report, and that's why the police had knocked the door of the Poonawala's, that is Aftab's family, and questioned them in detail as to understand what sort of relationship there was. We also spoke to some of the members of the society in which the Poonawalas lived. However, they painted a different picture, saying all was well in the family. Shraddha was a frequent visitor. But in this case, the police will have to really dig deeper to understand, because there are many testimonies coming out which is really pointing towards the fact that she was in a toxic relationship. She was subjected to physical abuse time and again, for which she also sought help at various times from people, and also tried to get some sort of medical help, not only for herself but for all Aftab, who was having anger issues.
Right, so all those details are tumbling out, and for 5 more days Aftab is going to be in the custody of the Delhi police.